This is an oscilloscope. We are on channel 1 of the oscilloscope. This is how we operate. This is the vertical deflection adjustment. Okay. This is the horizontal position adjustment. This is the so-called focus adjustment. We can make this one thinner and the most accurate thing, okay? And the intensity is to adjust the brightness, right? That's it. We can make it dim or, okay? What are the other parts of an oscilloscope? Okay. The other parts of an oscilloscope is this one. This one. This is the one we poke on the circuit board. This is the ground connection. And this is the electrode we poke on the part we want to test the or see the graph of that portion of the circuit. Okay, so I'll repeat it for the last time. This is the vertical adjustment, vertical movement. Okay, this is for the horizontal movement. Okay, for the vertical movement, we could center it, you know. Okay. And for the horizontal, it should be that from left to right should be complete. Okay. That's how we use this oscilloscope. This adjustment here is for the if the voltage to be seen on the board is too small, we make the volts per division of this larger so you could see it on the oscilloscope screen. That's the use of this one. This adjustment is for the time duration, you know, time duration. That's it, guys. That's the basic part of an oscilloscope.